In front of me is OPPO A6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Start by opening settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Trust me, I tested it before. Then hit accessibility and convenience. Tap on one-handed mode available here and use this switcher next to one-handed mode to activate it. Unfortunately, if you are using 3-keys navigation, you need to switch it to gestures to use one-handed mode. If you wanna do it now, hit settings in the pop-up, tap on gestures, select cancel or learn, and go back to click on the same switcher. When it's finally blue, you can follow all of those instructions to use one-handed mode. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter. So when I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, swipe up, or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same now blue switcher. Additionally, if you wanna go back to 3-keys navigation, go into Devices Settings again, tap on System and Update right under Accessibility and Convenience, choose System Navigation and hit buttons. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!